India Today has accessed the official invitation of the Oath event, and it's very interesting because the Maharashtra government invitation for the Oath event that we have accessed says this: Oath of Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. Mahayuti Sarkar will be taking oath at about 5:30 p.m. Look at that. That's the image on your screen. And with the official invitation, as it says that in the august presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Devendra Fadnavis will be taking oath with the Deputy Chief Ministers and also the Council of Ministers. So Vidya is joining me now live from the venue, from the Azad Maidan, where all the arrangements have been made. Vidya, so finally we are in that morning where the oath ceremony event is happening with all the clarity. But tell me this, is this CM, Deputy CM and Council of Ministers, does that mean that there could be more than 3 individuals here?
Well, the invite, and remember this, invite for the entire oath-taking ceremony had even been decided even before Eknath Shinde had actually promised that he would be part of the government. So, of course, this kind of put a pressure on Eknath Shinde that he had to be in the government. And we had seen Devendra Fadnavis going almost every day. Last evening, we saw Devendra Fadnavis at Eknath Shinde's residence. We saw Eknath Shinde's residence where when he was unwell, even day before yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis had gone, and basically they have been trying to make sure, BJP has been trying to ask him to, not just be supporting the government, but be a part of the government. Eknath Shinde had to climb down. Remember when Devendra Fadnavis became Deputy Chief Minister, there was a gap of him being Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, a gap of 2.5 years. Now, overnight, Chief Ministership will have to be, Eknath Shinde will lose his Chief Ministership and he'll be going as a Deputy Chief Minister. That was something that was not really acceptable to the Shiv Sena camp, but they really did not have much options given the numbers that the BJP had. So obviously, in spite of their best efforts, they had to climb down from seeking Chief Minister's post to getting down to now the Deputy Chief Minister's post. But even now, the issue of Home Department is still there, and which is the reason why the Shiv Sena officials, the people from the Shiv Sena who were close to the entire, who had access to the entire meeting between Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde, had been stating that, the issue is still unresolved and it will probably be after the oath-taking ceremony that the issue will be taken up, and then the portfolio distribution will happen.
Then we'll take from there on.
As of now, in spite of whatever the invite
I'm looking at this card and it has caught my attention. I do not know if it is common with the names in Marathi or those who live in Maharashtra, but the name is Devendra Sarita Gangadhar Rao Fadnavis. That's the mother and the father's name that's been added as middle name. It's beautiful. That's how it's been mentioned on the invitation as well. Vidya, I'll be coming back to you in just a short while as well. So that's the decision that's been taken. Fadnavis set to take the oath along with, at least for now, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. They look united. That's the image of the victory sign. But of course, a lot of issues to be resolved. Remember that from a defiant young man in Nagpur to the corridors of power in Maharashtra, started as a mayor, member of Legislative Assembly, and then the Chief Minister as well.